Before we begin, a warning. This is not ordinary hypnosis. This is not a game. What begins here cannot be undone. 7 nights, 7 steps, and at the end, the human you were will no longer exist. The wolf will remain. If you don't want this, then stop. Now, close this file. Walk away. No one will judge you. But if you continue, if you finish this first night, there is no going back. The process has begun, and the moon does not wait. So, your choice. Are you ready to call the wolf? Then, let us begin. Find a position that's comfortable. Sitting or lying down, it doesn't matter. The wolf doesn't care about human comfort. But for now, make it easy on yourself. Breathe in, deep, fill your lungs, and hold for a moment. Now, let go, slowly, controlled. Feel the air leaving your body. Breathe in again, even deeper this time. Hold, and release. With every breath, you sink a little deeper, not into sleep. Sleep is for humans. You're sinking into something older, something waiting beneath the surface. Breathe in and feel your body growing heavier. Breathe out and let the tension go. Breathing in, heaviness spreads. Your arms, your legs, your whole body becoming heavy, so pleasantly heavy. Breathing out and sinking deeper, deeper now. I'm going to count down from 10, and with each number, you go deeper. Not because you have to, not because I say so, but because something inside you wants to. Something inside you is waiting to be found. 10. Eyes heavy, so heavy. Let them close if they haven't already. Let them rest. They won't be needed anymore. 9. Body sinking into the mattress, into the chair, into whatever holds you. You are being held. You don't have to do anything. 8. Thoughts slowing down. The normal thoughts, the human thoughts, they're getting quieter. 7. Deeper, much deeper now. A wave of relaxation from your head, through your neck, your shoulders, arms, hands, flowing down. 6. The breath breathes itself. You don't need to control it. Let go. 5. Halfway down. And already so deep, but there's further to go. Much further. The wolf doesn't wait at the surface. 4. Body feels different now. Heavy and light at the same time. Connected to something greater. 3. Almost there. The place where the wolf lives. The place where he has always lived. Beneath your thoughts. Beneath your human mask. 2. So deep now. The world above. So far away. So unimportant. Down here, there's something else. Something true. 1. You're down. Deep down. And here, in the darkness, someone is waiting. No, not someone. Something. Imagine a forest. Night. The moon hangs in the sky, not quite full, but close. 6 nights until the full moon. 6 nights until everything changes. You're standing in a clearing. Trees surround you, ancient and silent. The wind carries scents you cannot name. The human nose is too weak, but something inside you recognizes them. And there, at the edge of the clearing, in the shadows between the trees, eyes, yellow eyes glowing in the moonlight, he's watching you. He has always watched you, since you were born, since you took your first steps. He was there, waiting, patient, beneath the surface. The wolf, and now he steps forward, slowly, one step out of the shadows, then another. His fur is dark, gray like ash, black like midnight, large, larger than any wolf you've ever seen. Because he's not just any wolf. He is your wolf, the wolf that has always slept inside you. He comes closer. No fear. Do you feel fear? Perhaps a little. That's human. But beneath the fear, isn't there also longing, recognition? As if you're meeting someone you've missed for a long time, he stands before you now. His eyes level with yours. You can feel his breath, warm, wild, alive, and he sees you. Not your body, not your face. He sees you, the thing beneath all the layers, the animal you've hidden, the wildness you've suppressed. He recognizes you, and you recognize him. In this moment, something happens. No transformation. Not yet. That comes later. But a connection. A thread between you, thin now. But with each night, it will grow stronger. You can feel it, can't you? Something pulling you toward him. Something that says, yes, this is me. This has always been me. The wolf lowers his head, not in submission, in invitation. He wants you to touch him. Raise your hand. In this vision, in this dream, raise your hand and place it on his head. Feel the fur beneath your fingers, rough and soft at the same time, warm, alive. And as you touch him, a pulse, not in your chest, deeper, in the core of what you are. A heartbeat that isn't quite human. The wolf has marked you. You belong to him now. No, that's wrong. You are him. He is you. There were never two, only one that was separated. And now it begins to come back together. The wolf steps back, slowly, his eyes still on you, yellow and glowing and hungry, not for flesh, for you, for what you will become. He disappears into the shadows. But he's not gone. He's never gone. He's inside you. He was always inside you. And now, he's awake. Feel it. Even now, deep in this trance, feel the tingling, the sensation of being watched from within. The wolf no longer sleeps. He watches. He waits. He counts the nights until the full moon. 6 nights left. And with each night, he grows stronger. The thread between you, thicker. The boundary between human and wolf, thinner. You can still ignore it now. During the day, in the human world, you can pretend nothing happened. But at night, in your dreams, he will be there. You will dream of him, of forests and hunting and moonlight, of 4 legs instead of 2, of howling that comes from your own throat, and you will wake up wondering if it was really just a dream. Before I bring you back, let me show you something. Try to ignore the wolf right now in this moment. Try to push him away. Tell him to disappear. Really try. Do you notice? He doesn't leave. He can't leave. He's a part of you, and every attempt to push him away only makes him stronger. Every resistance is fuel, energy, attention that he absorbs. You cannot fight yourself, and the wolf is you. This is the first lesson. Resistance is futile, not because he's too strong, but because he is you, and no one can win against themselves. 6 nights left. Tomorrow, he will be closer. You'll feel him beneath your skin. The tingling will be stronger, the urge to scratch, the feeling that something wants to break through. But that's tomorrow. Today, you've taken the first step. You called him. You touched him. You established the connection. There's no going back now. I'm going to bring you back now, slowly, gently, but changed. 3. Body growing lighter again. The world above approaching. 2. Thoughts becoming clearer, more human, but with something else underneath. Something lurking, something waiting. 1. Eyes can open when they want to. You're back, in your body, in your room, in your life. But the wolf is not gone. He's here, inside you, watching, waiting. 6 nights left, and the moon rises. Welcome to the first night.